Amar Rav, Gemara Masechet Sanhedrin, page 98b. En ben David ba ad shetitpashet hamalchut al Yisrael 9 chodashim. The son of David will not come until the kingdom has extended its domination over Israel for 9 months. One of the horrific prophecies that will happen at the time of MaShiach is before he comes, Ishmael will take over Israel for 9 months. We read in Tefillah every day, Uba leTzion Goel leshaveh pesha beYaakov. The Goel comes, the Mashiach will come to what? To save the people that used to be posheim, the people that used to be criminal, meaning he's going to come save anyone that has done tshuva. You haven't done tshuva, you should pray for Mashiach not to come. If you're not keeping Shabbat, you should read Tehillim for him not to come. If your business is not honest and moral, you should pray for him not to come. Why? If he comes, you're doomed. There's no more tshuva after Mashiach comes. So what? Only Reshaim are scared of the Mashiach? Let's see. Ula, one of the greatest sages that ever lived, says, may he come, but may I not see him. I want Mashiach to come. I have to believe he's going to come. No problem. And I want him to come. I just hope I'm not alive. Rabba said, may he come, but may I not see him either. Rabba is in practically every page in the Gemara. Kodesh Kodeshim, Sefer Torah walking. Yeah, BeEzrat HaShem, Mashiach can come. I just hope I'm not alive. Why? Isn't that the climax of the world? The ultimate sanctification of Hashem's name? Why don't you want him to come? Then Rav Yosef says, may he come, and may I merit to sit in the shadow of his donkey's dung. And I want to live. But I know it's going to be horrible. But I still want to see it. Not disagreeing with you guys. You're right. It's going to be horrible before he comes. But I still want to have the merit. I want to know I have the merit to see him. Yeah, but that means that you're going to experience horrific things. I need to do it. I need to see it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Abaye asked Rabbi, his rabbi, asked him, why don't you want to see the Mashiach's arrival? He says, because of the Chavle Mashiach, because of the suffering that will happen before Mashiach comes. So then the Talmidim of Rabbi Eliezer ben Horkenos, Rabbi Eliezer Agadol, ask him, Ma ya'aseh adam v'yinatzel michivlo shel Mashiach? What can a person do to be spared of this agony that will happen before Mashiach? Ya'asok b'Torah u'b'gmilut chasadim. Let him occupy himself in the study of Torah and in acts of kindness. What does it mean, occupy himself in the study of Torah and acts of kindness? It's not enough to just learn the Torah, come to shiur once or twice a week, maybe 3, and then just live your life as if the Torah is an extra part of your life. Because the whole point of the Torah is not to just learn it superficially, enjoy it like a movie. The point of the Torah is for it to change you, to improve you, to make you a better version of you. If at the end of every single shiur, you have not taken at least one thing to apply to your life and say, starting tonight, not tomorrow, tomorrow is already too late, starting tonight, I'm going to be a better version of me by using this tool.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new BeEzrat HaShem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app, full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Call to B'chavatzlacha.